Cailleach, the Irish word for crone, old hag or witch. She has been here since the beginning. Cailleach, goddess of winter, ancient crone of wisdom. She is old, older than time. In Irish mythology and folklore, it is said that the Cailleach created the mountains of Ireland and Scotland. They were formed when she took giant steps across the land, dropping rocks from her creel or her apron, building the mountains and the cairns as she walked by. At Samhain, the Cailleach leaves the mountains and begins to walk across the land, bringing the winter storms, snow and darkness with her. She knows all about change and transformation that takes place in the darkness. Darkness is associated with new beginnings, the potential of the seed below the ground. In Jungian psychology, these are liminal threshold times in the changing seasons of our lives. This is where we ask ourselves, what needs to die away in my own life for new possibility and new life to come in? Like the land itself, the Cailleach weathered countless transformations. She reminds us that although often it is a very painful process, it is in encountering and meeting the thresholds of change in that darkness that we discover the light of our own inherent wisdom.